In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Evernote notes available offline. If you're a frequent user of Evernote, knowing how to access your notes offline can be incredibly valuable, especially when you're on the go without reliable internet access. It's straightforward and, luckily, included with all Evernote plans. Yes, even the free ones. First off, you'll be glad to know that with Evernote, offline access is actually a breeze. Whenever you use the Evernote app on your desktop, whether on Windows or Mac OS, your notes are automatically synced and stored locally. This feature means that once you've accessed the app while connected to the internet, all your notes are now saved to your device. So, even when you find yourself without Wi-Fi or mobile data, your notes remain at your fingertips. Now, why is this automatic syncing so useful? Well, because it ensures that your notes are always up to date. Once synced, you can view all of your notes, and not only view them, but also edit them. Imagine sitting on a plane, miles above the ground with no internet access, yet you can still jot down new ideas or make changes to your existing notes. It's the kind of accessibility that can really enhance your productivity. Let's talk a bit about what happens to changes you make while offline. Say you've made a dozen updates or added new notes while you were out of network reach. Once you reconnect to the internet, whether through Wi-Fi or mobile data, all the updates you've made will automatically sync. This means that your notes are as fresh and current as possible across any other devices you might be using, like your smartphone or tablet. It's comforting to know that whether you're at a coffee shop without an available network or traveling through a remote location, you always have your notes readily available. This seamless transition between online and offline modes is what makes Evernote an incredibly useful tool for students, professionals, and anyone who needs to stay organized on the move. One thing to remember is that for the initial sync to occur, you'll need to have connected to the internet at least once, since this is when your notes first get stored locally. Once that's done, you can enjoy hassle-free offline access whenever needed. It's as simple as that. There's essentially nothing complicated you need to do to prepare, which is part of the beauty of Evernote's design. So there you have it. A simple yet powerful way to ensure your Evernote notes are available offline whenever you might need them. It's just another way Evernote keeps your life organized, no matter where you are. Try it out, and you'll be amazed at how much more flexible and accessible your note-taking becomes. Thanks for tuning in, and happy note-taking.